Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you another product review. This is Williams-Sonoma and Trisha's Kitchen, Trisha Yearwood, Christmas in a Cup. Now we're going to make 3 different drinks today, and one involves non-alcoholic with sparkling wine that's great for kids. We have another one that involves whiskey, but you can use gin, you can use wine, you can use a whole bunch of things, and we'll go into that when we look at the bottle. And you can also use Prosecco here. So the reason why I purchased this Christmas in a Cup was because during the summer, while I was searching on Williams-Sonoma, they had Trisha Yearwood Summer in a, I think I bought the Summer in a Pitcher, and my husband really liked it, and he wanted me to order another one, but I just never got around to it. So today we're going to try the Christmas in a Cup. Now they have the Christmas in a Pitcher also, but I'm just trying out the Christmas in a Cup. And if I'm not mistaken, I also think she had a Autumn in a Cup, but I didn't get around to tasting that. So I'll turn it around really quick and we'll look at the back, and I hope it's not really blurry. It's kind of reminding me of my eyesight when I look up things close, but I'll look from outside of the camera. So basically this is a holiday cocktail mix, and you can pair it with a lot of things. You can pair it with gin, vodka, sparkling wine, mineral water, and you can also make it as a warm cocktail. Now let me see if I can turn it here, and some of the ingredients in here is water, sugar, pomegranate juice concentrate, tangerine juice concentrate, cranberry juice concentrate, key lime juice concentrate. And so these seem like some very nice flavors for making Christmas in a cup. Okay, so right here we have our little tags. Nice, and that will be for the non-alcoholic beverage. This is perfect for kids. You can just put a little bit of the cocktail mix, the Christmas in a Cup mix in there, and top it off with this sparkling white grape juice and put a little ice on there, and I think that'll be perfect for kids. I did watch a video where she did a demonstration, and I think she used like Southern Comfort, and she made like a nice punch bowl full of the Christmas in a pitcher, and she put some fruit in there, and that would be definitely good for serving guests. So that's why I have punch here. We're not making a punch today, we're just making a single drink, but you do have the option of doing that. The Prosecco one is probably will be my favorite. So this is the naughty one because it has alcohol in there. So basically you put a little bit of the Christmas in a cup and you top it off with the Prosecco. And this the Prosecco I have already chilled, and you can put a few cranberries in there for garnish, and you will have a nice drink. So let's go ahead and we'll get started making the 3 different drinks using the Christmas in a Cup cocktail. Okay, so I went ahead and opened all of my bottles to kind of keep this video a little bit shorter, so I have everything open. Now what I did do was I opened up the Christmas in a Cup, and I just tasted just a little bit of the mix, because you always want to know what you're working with. And I can tell you, it is tart, and I can taste the key limes definitely in there. That was kind of like the first thing that I tasted. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to first make our non-alcoholic drink that is perfect for the kids. And I'm not going to use a measuring cup. I'm just simply going to eye it, and because I know on the back it said for one of the drinks you do 2 parts of the mix to 1 part of like the vodka or the gin. Now this Christmas in a Cup, it definitely says that it makes, where is it at? It says that this bottle right here is about 8 servings with each 5 to 6 fluid ounces. So we'll just go ahead and we'll go ahead and get started. But if you're having like a small cocktail party or something like that, I think this Christmas in a cup would probably be enough. Or if you're having a bigger party with more guests, you would probably want to purchase the Christmas in a pitcher, and I'll make sure that I link everything below. So let's go ahead and we'll make our first drink. Okay, so we have our nice, we have our punch, and we have our naughty. We have all three ways to make the Christmas in a cup. And like I said, I'll link the video from Trisha Yearwood, as well as the Christmas in a cup link if you would like to purchase it. But this middle one here, I don't know what I was thinking. You know, normally I do like 1 shot or 2 shots, but I opened this up and I think I got a little heavy-handed. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to bring my husband in, and I am going to let him be the taste tester, to let him give you his honest opinion on the Christmas in a cup. And I'm going to see what he says about the middle one, because I think it may be too strong, but we'll see. Okay, so we have my husband here, and without playing and being funny, he is going to taste each one of these and tell us which one he likes the best. So, Chris, the first one is the nice one.
The nice one. Okay.
So you got to taste it and then tell everybody what you taste in it. And how does it taste? And if it tastes nasty, just say it tastes nasty.
I'll take a taste. I taste the white grape. And has a little spin to it.
What is a spin?
Spin is something that makes it...
Okay. Okay, now the middle one is the one you can make a punch with in a big punch bowl, or you can make a single serving, which is what I have here, which I think is more than a single serving, but go ahead.
Okay, this is the punch, correct?
It could be made into a punch.
Okay, I'll try this one too. The palette, I like the red berries on here. Let's see. This one has...
I think I poured too much.
Such a kick to it.
I think I poured too much. Jack, but you drinking it?
Has a tad bit of a bite.
Is it too much liquor or too much Christmas in a cup?
I think that was just a tad bit of a bite. I don't know if the mixtures are correct on that, but if you use somebody who really needs that alcohol, that punch, it is very punchy. Very punchy.
Okay, so you can always add more Christmas in a cup. Okay. Okay, now the last one is made with Prosecco, which is supposed to be festive, light, and refreshing. So, okay, this is the last one.
Okay, and you have this one, the name of this one is?
Naughty, because it has alcohol in it.
Oh, okay, naughty. Let's see what naughty does. I'm going to take a little sip of it.
Take a big sip.
And hopefully it's not as stringent as the last one, but let's see. Naughty is very nice. It's smooth. Not too bad.
So what's the winner?
The winner to me would have to be the nice because it goes down very cheerful for the holidays without bite, and I think the strongest one would be that punch. And this one is smooth as well. All great. I enjoyed being a part of this taste testing.
Okay, so I told everybody that you like the summer in a pitcher. So here is the shot glass that I should have used for the punch. But just by itself, taste it and tell us what you taste in the Christmas in a cup, and would you recommend it?
Okay, let me see here. Yes, that's a good mix to mix with your cognac, whiskeys, or whatever that you like for the holidays. It has a very chill flavor to it. It's very Christmas, like holiday-ish. So yeah, that's very good. I like that.
If you are going to make this punch, don't put a lot of liquor in there. I guess it would be 2 parts Christmas in a cup by 1 part of the either gin or vodka or whiskey. But the next time I will use my shot glass and measure it. So I hope you all enjoyed this product review / taste test for the Christmas in a Cup cocktail mixture by Trisha Yearwood. I definitely would recommend it. It really is good, and I like the fact that you can make so many drinks using just this one cocktail mixture. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year this holiday season. And if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time that we upload a new video. And again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.